Hey, my name is James and I'm happy to be back with you. This video here is for those of you who will be uploading content and managing and rearranging content week to week for our classrooms. For those of you who are volunteers on Sundays and not necessarily uploading or managing that content, I would recommend that you skip this video. This is not needed for what you do on a Sunday. So for those of you who are managing content, let's begin to hop into what you need to know on getting logged into Playlister. So the very first thing that you need to do is you actually need to get an email from the church that you will then log in and set up your account through. So what you would do is you will get an email that's similar to this. This is an email that I just sent to myself and sign myself up for an account. So first thing you need to do is just click this link here and it will let you log into your Playlister account and create your login information. Mine's already created, so it just took me right through it. But if you do not have a Playlister account, you can just click right there and it will let you set up your account. Now, for what I just showed right here, it automatically logged direct in. But if you are needing to log into Playlister and you do not know how to access that website, what you need to do is come in here and create a new page. Use playlister.app and go to this page. In this page up here in the top right, you have a sign in button. And if you click that, you can sign into your account and log direct in. We will generally let you know when we set up an account, so that way you will know, hey, be on the lookout for an email. Once you receive that email, just go ahead and log in, create your account, and then you are into the Playlister portal. So I hope this answered your questions on how to log in the Playlister.